Hey all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tando, and for those of you who have not subscribed yet, please do me a favor. I would really appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button and share and comment in the section below. I am a home decor, DIY, lifestyle on the thrift type of style channel. I like to do some home updates as well as other shopping or vlogging inspo that you can find. So I would also really appreciate it if you guys hit me up and engage with me and follow me on my Instagram page, which actually also deals with a lot of what I do post here and some mini snippets that you guys don't get to see. So this is just a mini unboxing and little birthday mashup video that I had put together. I initially planned to do a vlog, but unfortunately my birthday became busier than I expected, and I was really trying to enjoy the moment than to be on my phone the entire time. So please do stay for the rest of this makeover and a little bit of the stuff that I did manage to record while I was home. And guys, I braved it up, and I've been wanting a tattoo and had been contemplating it for the past two and a half years. So I finally got the courage to do it, and honestly it wasn't as painful as I initially had thought it would be. So yeah, do check out the outcome and the whole procedure, which I tried to record as much of as I could. I shower, so maybe cling film will... So guys, this was my week-long routine where I cling wrap my body every time, or the part of the leg, every time I'm about to take a shower, so that it doesn't have too much water exposure, as that would lead to like a moth hold appearance, and it causes like this moth hold effect to your tattoo. So just to try avoid as much water as possible, this was the suggested action. So as I'm not a professional, I'm actually not going to suggest anything that I was told to do. So if you are interested in getting a tattoo, please do get your aftercare instructions from your artist, or maybe look up how to treat one after you've got one done online. So this was my first tattoo wash, and yes, it does ink out the residual ink, I suppose. But yeah, I was just following care instructions that I was given. So that's it for me today, guys. Please do stay tuned for the next few videos that I'll be doing, and thanks again for watching. Bye.